Hey there, it's Jeff Newton here with National VA Loans. The contact to National VA Loans is 855-956-4040, or check us out online at nationalvaloans.com. Of course, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel. We try to put out the most up-to-date information that we can. Today, really, the information we want to get out is about the VA funding fee. And, you know, I want to explain what the VA funding fee is and how it works. So, the cool thing about the VA, number one, is it is a 100% financeable loan. So, if you're purchasing a home, it's $300,000. You can actually finance just the $300,000. It doesn't require any down payment or anything like that. So, which is awesome. It makes it's so much easier, and it makes it one of the best loans on the market. Well, the best loan on the market. I may be a little bit biased, but I think it's probably the best loan that's out there on the market. So the funding fee, the way it works, or the reason I guess that lenders are able to offer the VA loan at 100% financing, is the VA guarantees 25% of that loan. So, and in the case where a veteran were to default on the loan or go into foreclosure, for the investor, the lender or the VA picks up 25% of that. So just for easy round numbers, $100,000 is the total secured loan amount or the purchase price of the loan. And if someone were to default, then the VA is going to pick up $25,000 of the claim. So it gives it a little bit more room, a little flexibility for the lender and on that side of everything to where they can actually loan. Now, where the VA makes that money back is, like I said, on all VA loans, they charge a funding fee, which gets financed into the loan. You don't come out of pocket with it. You just pay it over the life of the loan. The VA collects those funds. I mean, and again, this is very simple, but the VA collects those funds, they put them into a bank account, it earns interest and all that. I'm sure it is way more complicated than that, but of course, I don't get into the inner workings of the VA and how they pay out claims and things. So that those funds they get set aside in case anyone does default on a loan, so that it can help make the actual lender whole in the process. And it usually eliminates any deficiencies that would be left from the foreclosure. So now I say all of that to say this: the VA is actually reducing that funding fee. So the funding fee is actually going down. Now, what does that mean for you, the VA borrower, the veteran borrower out there? Well, it means that you're going to finance less money, obviously. So less money coming out of pocket, or not even coming out of pocket, but less money being financed means you can actually increase your purchase price. Your qualifying price or your qualifying number can actually be higher. So, in a case where you qualified at 290, now you might qualify at 295. Just it's a small amount, but it does make a difference. Now, again, it's happening on April 7th. They're going to lower that across the board. So any VA loans that are coming into springtime, I know the new housing is coming out. It's going to be time to buy and things like that. So that number is going to be reduced. Now, I do want to keep in mind that if you do have a 10% disability through the VA, at a minimum 10%, then you are exempt from the funding fee. So to figure out how that works and how that makes a difference on you, or to figure out if you are exempt, give us a call, 855-956-4040. One of our VA specialists will be happy to go through everything with you, kind of, back into it to find out if you are exempt. We can help get your certificate of eligibility. We can do all those things for you. So again, it's 855-956-4040. Any of our VA specialists here will be happy to talk to you and answer any questions. Of course, check us out online at nationalvaloans.com. But the main thing is, folks, it is getting cheaper. It's getting a little bit easier, and it's going to be a little bit simpler to buy a home this spring. So hopefully you're all excited and ready to go. Again, it's 855-956-4040. Guys, we thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your service. And until next time, God bless.